Hola a todos, un cordial saludo. Let me introduce myself. I'm Milena NINO from Colombia. I'm an environmental engineer with a double master's degree on sustainable tropical forestry. I did a first master in England in Bangor University. The second master was in Denmark with the University of Copenhagen. When I was in Denmark, I had to do my fieldwork in a tropical area. So I decided to come to Jamaica because Bangor University has done research here as well. So we have this link between the three universities. So I came here to do a first preliminary approach on quantifying carbon in the island. At that moment, I chose 3 forest sites. Wet forest, which is the Blue Mountains, moist forest, which is the Coppice country, and a dry forest, which is the Hailshire Hills. I chose these 3 areas because previous research has been done on it, and also because they are very important in terms of biodiversity. Blue Mountains and Coppice country provide 60% of the water for the island. Coppice country is considered as a World Heritage Spot by the UNESCO, and the dry forest is the last pristine dry forest in the whole Caribbean region. So those are very important sites, and we need to put a lot of effort in conservation for these 3 sites. So I did this first approach, but I used international methods for quantifying biomass. And these international methods we found out are not very appropriate to Jamaica because Jamaica is an island, and also it has influence from hurricanes, so the forest structure changed and it's not the same as a continental forest. So we found out and we realized that we really need to come up with some local methods, with something more appropriate for the island. So that's the objective of this research, is to develop local methods to quantify forest biodiversity and biomass. In a way we can also determine indicators of climate change, comparing the change between this dry forest into the moist forest and see how it changed. And we also expect that as this is more local, that can be applied to the whole Caribbean region. I'm now doing this research again with the University of West Indies, Jamaica, and exchanging information with Trinidad and Tobago as well. The Department of Life Science, which is in charge of doing lots of research in terms of flora and fauna in these forest sites. So well, that's what we expect now. We're working hard on this project, so we'll give you some results soon. Thank you very much, and muchas gracias a todos.